In this video, we will see how to use DATENAME function in Tableau. So for using this function, we will create one calculation field. I'll name it as a date name, and then just type date. So Tableau will recommend you one function which is date name, and so we can see here the syntax of date name function. We have to type the date part. So the date part is a string which could be a day, or it could be a month or quarter, and it could be year. So in this section, I'm gonna use the date part as a month, as a, and after hitting, so the next input is date. So I'm gonna using the order date as a date. So this function is ready. So what this function is does? So the name of this function is date name. So it will show the name of our particular date according to the what part that we have used. So in this case we used month, so it will show the month of the particular date which is inside the order date. So for that I'll just click on apply and OK. So what I'll just do, I'll take the order date and I'll drop it onto the row shelf, and I'll click on this drop down and I'll click on the exact date, and then again I click on drop down, click on select discrete, and take the date name field that we have just created and drop it onto the row shelf. So here we can see the date name of each of our date which is inside our order date field. So here we can see the we use the a month as a date part, so we can see the month of each date. So which is here, it is January, and if we scroll down, so the month of uh, so we can see here the further, if we scroll down further below, so we can see here the month February, and the corresponding date we can see the order date which is also the February month. So this is how we can use the date name function in Tableau to know the name of particular field, which could be a day or month, or it could be a year. So this is how we can use the date name function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.